Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Wednesday, June 14th. Time is around 5:50 GMT, and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Owanda platform. So on weekdays I analyze the lower time frame. On the weekend I analyze the higher time frame, the weekly, the daily, and in my weekend video I told you that I'm expecting a pullback in the DAX in the higher time frame, but that does not mean that we cannot go up anymore in the lower time frame. And this is what is currently happening, I believe. So here we see the 4-hour chart, and so I believe here on the 4-hour that we do from this wave 4 low in the higher degree, a final wave 5 to the upside, and we do this in as it should be in 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I also told you that there is a possibility that the high might be in here. This would be an equally valid Elliott wave count, but then it means we should really start turning now. But my primary scenario is like this, that we had our wave 3 here or wave 4 here, and that we're now doing our 5. And the reason is that here in RSI, this looks too strong to end as a wave 5. Normally this ends weaker. This rather looks like a wave 3 to me. So let's further zoom in to the 1 hour. So here we have our wave 3 high or wave 4 low on the 1 hour, like this. And so if we had something corrective here, a wave 4 to the downside, it means that we now need an impulse up. So we had here impulse, this is then corrective to the downside, and now we need again an impulse up, which is our wave 5. So it looks like we had our wave 1 here. We were waiting for a wave 2 to reach the minimum requirement. This would normally be the 0.5 FIP retracement. So this kind of area here, but as you can see, we missed our entry for a long trade. Sometimes it happens. It's this is part of trading, of course. And it looks now that we are moving up as our wave 3. We already know the target. If this is our wave 2 low and this is our wave 1 high, we can define the target for our wave 3, which is the equal leg area from your wave 1 and your wave 2, which is this area here. Here our wave 3 should end. So normally a wave 3 reaches the 1.618 FIP extension, so the upper limit. Sometimes it does not happen and it reacts earlier. But so from this area, I would expect a reaction to the downside, be it as a wave 4 or be it as another structure, but I will not present this now because it's not really relevant. My primary scenario is that we are doing a wave 3 to the upside now. But an important remark that I have to make about this wave 3 is that we already start to see divergence. Actually, we broke here the upward RSI trend line, and we made a new high with divergence. So yeah, this brings us to my alternative scenario. If we do not take out this high here and we do not reach this this area here, it might be, like I said in the beginning of my video, that this would be our wave 5 here. And what we then have is, so we had a complete impulse to the upside, which means that we know from here have to go down. So then this could be here a wave 1 to the downside, a wave 2 to the upside, and that now a wave 3 to the downside is coming. Some interesting observations that can support this scenario are that we are here at the 0.854 FIB retracement. This is typically the area where a wave 2 can end. So a wave 2 should end here in this area. Maybe let me put it in another color. So how I see it, the alternative scenario, it's not my main scenario, but I'm here to present you different options for the trading day. So this would be yeah, like this indeed. So our wave 1 to the downside. Then here we have an A, B, C. Like this. A, B, C. So A, B, C. We end at upper bound of a wave 2. So this area here, and from here we can go down. So this is an alternative scenario. I'm still expecting this wave 3, but what worries me is that we broke this RSI trend line and that we start to see divergence. Also on the 15-minute. So if we further zoom in on the 15-minute, this starts to look like a complete structure. We have 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that end with divergence. But it could also be that this is our wave 3 here. This is our 4, and in that case we might see indeed more upside to this area. So I think the main conclusion from this is that you don't go long anymore here. You are too late. Although this might be the target, I would not go long here anymore, simply because if the alternative scenario plays out, we are done here. This is the way to this is the moment where we start to go down. Yeah, even if we reach here, upside is limited, so it's not worth the risk, I would say. Then I would rather wait for this area and initiate a short from here. So if we see 5 waves up that end with divergence, but I would like to see it in the 1 hour. Here, 5 waves up that end with divergence. This here is for me an area to initiate a short trade. So I think that's the conclusion for today. Like it's too late to enter a long trade. Unfortunately, we missed it here, our entry. But here it's too late. I would not do it. I would wait for maybe we get another pullback to buy again. But this is too late. I would rather wait here for a short in this area. There's also Fed press conference today. Also, this can move the markets a bit. So for today, I would only see this here as a potential entry. It's too late for a long trade. Okay, that's my analysis for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.